Hmm.
Hello, Sil. Huwag inatiin na ito. Sil, happy birthday, Sil. I'm happy. I'm very happy for your 30th birthday. I'm thankful to God for entrusting a daughter like you and a son like Joey and a family. Although not perfect, but for me, very, very nice. I don't know what to say. Let's recognize the effort of me was facilitating this video. And we have tried this is the second try
Tulo na,
this video. We failed to send because ang camera din kura na set sa core TV.
Dako aguan.
Kanang dili ma-send jud sel. So mo na nga kanang naay nag-video na po mi usog. Nya base makahabol ni imong birthday. Nya 8 naman dihas ko atel. Ay si Ron ingon man ang muanha.
Tuwan ako no.
Ha? Nala.
Wala ni abot na godas utso.
For Ron, I love my daughter. I hope you love her. You're faithful to her. And if you are doubtful of your love to my daughter, do not go into a relationship which is deeper than a friend. I hope you know what I mean. And good luck to all of you there in Spain. See, thank you for facilitating this video. You're so nice. You're so good. Okay. Tell again, happy birthday.